And so we're going to go into Dollar Tree and we're going to see what they have. It's been a few days since I've been in there. I don't know if they've added anything new or if there's been a little slip up with some Valentine's Day items. Anyways, stay tuned and enjoy. First thing I noticed when I stepped into Dollar Tree is that there are still a lot of gift bags, wrapping paper, tissue paper. I really do love the gift bags because you can actually frame them. Not that one specifically, but like the paper ones with the beautiful scenery, you can actually frame them and use it as part of your decor for the Christmas season. I thought this bag was so cute. Definitely easy to wrap a bag in there, or sorry, a gift. And then there's just a lot of gift bags this year that are really, really nice that you can actually do DIYs with. So I always like to look at all of the sections, every little item, because sometimes you find some little gems. Still a lot of decor, a lot of tinsel, gnomes, decor and stuff. There's a lot of ornaments. I've seen a lot of people who have actually DIY'd those and made them really cute. So just a lot of great items. Have you purchased any of the Dollar Tree ornaments for your Christmas tree? I know those bells were very popular at one time and people were customizing them, but there is just so many things that you can do and with these ornaments. Oh, and also these candle holders, I think these are so beautiful. Especially if you're having a Christmas party and you could just actually use them as a centerpiece. I'm not sure what this is. I think you put candles in there. Anyways, there is just so much stuff. A lot of the baubles, as you can see, are gone because, again, DIYs. You can definitely do a beautiful centerpiece with those LED candles. I'm just thinking for like not birthday parties, but actual Christmas parties. So still a lot of items here. I thought these were cute. The gingerbread house. And I was looking for the initialed stockings. I only found the letter A, but these ones you can color them in. Still a lot of stockings. I'm just thinking of like not just gifts for like your friends and family, but for like Secret Santa. If you're on a budget, you can actually find really nice stuff that will actually look good and doesn't look like it's from Dollar Tree. You just have to get a little creative. I just find Dollar Tree just has a lot of gems that you can use for like a lot of things. Like look at these cookie cutters. You can actually get a mug, put some hot chocolate, and then put a cookie cutter with it. I think that's a really cute and easy gift. And it's very, 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 very simple like gift to give. And you know what? I've seen HomeSense do the exact same thing. So you can do the same thing on a budget. I do think these are really cute chair covers. Again, if you are doing a Christmas party, especially like a corporate one or a work Christmas party, because you know sometimes these workplaces are on a budget. So anyway, I just love these. This one, this container or clear cellophane had like a hard bottom. Yeah, it was cool. And then look at these sticks, like these peppermint sticks. You can put them in your hot chocolate and stir it up and gives a nice little flavor. And what else do we have here? Oh, the Laura Secord chocolate. Again, this plus a cookie cutter plus a mug and a nice card from Dollar Tree makes a great gift. So definitely something you should check out and think about for the Christmas season if you are on a tight budget. The Waterbridge, oh my gosh, sorry. Waterbridge candy is good, so I'm assuming those are good as well. So let's continue on. So this particular store has run out of the circle wreaths, and oops, I definitely picked that up after, but also these picks. There was a whole bunch of colors before and they ran out, especially those ones as well. So you know, if you were looking for a certain thing, maybe next year, just start earlier. Because I've been finding Christmas stuff since like ending of September. It's pretty wild how the seasons change so quickly and they bring out stuff. Also, oh, I have a great idea for this. You can do a cup bouquet. Oh my goodness, check it out online. I can actually do one as an example if you like. So I went into the Christmas section. Sorry, I'm just having a day. I meant birthday party section, and I was looking for New Year's decor. So definitely can use that for a centerpiece. Add some black and gold balloons. Very cute. So let's see what else we can find. My daughter's birthday is December 31st. So I'm always looking for cute decor for that. And I always buy her one of these candles. If you guys ever use these candles, for $1.50, it's pretty stellar. Definitely check it out. Just don't burn your house down. Anywho, I thought these were really nice. I thought they would be sold out by now, but I think for New Year's, these will sell out. Very, very cute for New Year's, a New Year's theme, the disco ball. And then you have the noisemakers and the hats. And if you want to make a balloon tower, just a lot of items that can make your New Year's really pop. And these pens, again, stocking stuffers. If you have like a tween or a teen girl, I'm sure they would love this kind of stuff. So definitely think about those as well. Lots of games. We still have a lot of games. Still a lot of toys. I know people go crazy for the Hot Wheels. I actually have no idea about the collectibles of Hot Wheels and stuff, but I know people go crazy for them. And then I love going to the teacher section because my daughter loves the whiteboard, and I just love these mini ones because definitely could travel with them on the go, and she can practice her math and stuff like that. So, and let's continue on. So a few weeks ago, I had posted about these. There was a few other ones, and this is a spring item. So of course you see the flip-flops for summer. Those sold out really quickly, so hopefully they'll bring back more. I'm just checking if they have any stickers. Nothing new. Oh, these are like for your fridge. They're like photo magnets kind of thing. I'm not 100% sure. And I just love the craft section. Oh, this is a good deal. I just love the craft section for Dollar Tree. I find that they have probably the best craft items because the brand, I think Craft Melody or Craft, I think that's what it's called, or Forever in Time that used to be there. It's such good stuff if you're a heavy crafter. Also, if you're into felting, there's felt there. There's the wooden items. Oh, it's just like numberless, endless. And sometimes people use these pieces to finish their quilting and the fabric for the felt and stuff. I mean, the velvet. It's just really nice. And the wood is really nice as well. Again, Mother's Day, very cute idea. And I saw a whole pack of these last time and they are gone. I guess that's going to be a trendy thing this summer. And these blocks, you can definitely do something like that. Maybe a baby shower centerpiece. That would be so cute, like ABC blocks and stuff. And let's see. I just keep looking for what they have out. So, and always get your glue from here. Annie's glue is really, really nice. And I'm just checking to see if there's anything new. I don't know if you guys have seen the pens. The pens are really, really, really good. I thought this was good stocking stuffer. Ink is like I think it's the Dollar Tree brand. And they have a lot of great pens. I think they're really, really nice. And again, stocking stuffers. I'm a nurse, so I need gazillions of pens because I'm always losing my pens. People are stealing each other's pens. Yeah, so if you know a nurse, just give them like literally really nice pens and Dollar Tree will do the trick. I love these novelty pens as well. They're really, really cute. That looks like Sailor Moon to me for some reason. Yeah. You know, the Dollar Tree plates and cups and mugs have been viral. And so a lot of them have been sold out, but still a few left. Again, if you want to put the chocolate, a card, I think that would go really nicely with that and the gingerbread one. So a lot of options. And let's see what else we can find. So yeah, so a lot of the plates and stuff like that that were here are no longer. I know the evergreen tree was a very popular theme this year. Oh, I was looking for this. Oh my goodness. Gingerbread socks. They are so, so, so cute. I didn't end up buying them. And I did pick that up. Sorry. I'm a little bit clumsy sometimes. I didn't end up buying it because I have a gazillion of everything. Like I really don't need any more. But check out your local Dollar Tree. Again, definitely a great addition to a gift. Like these are just great ways. And I know people are looking for these Canada hats. I don't know. It's like a Canuck thing. I don't know. Anyways, Of course, your calendars are out. I thought this was so cute. Sesame Street. Again, don't forget to follow for more great finds. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough.